To run background prompts inside NotebookLM chat, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once inside your notebook, ensure that your sources are fully uploaded and processed in the Sources panel, since NotebookLM uses these materials as the foundation for all responses. Next, open the chat panel inside your notebook. This is where you can guide NotebookLM using background prompts, which are instructions that set context before generating any output. Instead of asking a simple question, you first define how the model should behave, what it should focus on, and how it should interpret your sources. For example, you can start with a background instruction such as use only the uploaded sources to act as a research assistant, or analyze the documents as if you are preparing a literature review. These types of prompts establish a working context that NotebookLM will follow throughout the conversation. You can also include additional constraints in your background prompt, such as tone, structure, or depth. For instance, you might request formal academic language, simplified explanations, bullet point summaries, or detailed technical breakdowns depending on your needs. Once you send the prompt, NotebookLM will apply that context to its responses in the same chat thread. This means you do not need to repeat the instruction every time, as long as you continue the conversation in the same session. You can then ask follow-up questions that build on the established context, such as requesting summaries, comparisons, or deeper analysis of specific sections from your sources. NotebookLM will continue to follow the original background instruction while refining responses based on your follow-ups. For better organization, you can save useful outputs into notes, allowing you to reuse structured insights for research, writing, or reporting. And that's how you run background prompts inside NotebookLM chat. Set a clear contextual instruction first, continue refining through follow-ups, and let the model maintain that structured behavior throughout the conversation.